Replacing your windows is one of the best ways to improve your Gainesville home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. But to make the installation process go smoothly, a little preparation is key. When installers arrive, they'll need clear access to each window, along with a safe, organized workspace. With some simple steps, you can help ensure your project is efficient and stress-free. Here's a room-by-room guide to preparing your home for a smooth window installation. Living room and family areas. Your living room is often one of the busiest spaces in your home, and it's also where large windows like picture, bay, or sliding windows are commonly located. Move furniture. Shift sofas, chairs, and tables at least 3 to 4 feet away from windows. Remove decor. Take down curtains, blinds, or shades. Don't forget wall decor or frames near windows. Cover valuables. Protect electronics or delicate items with sheets or drop cloths to guard against dust. This not only protects your belongings but also gives installers room to bring in new windows and tools without obstacles. Bedrooms often have multiple windows, and preparing them makes the process quicker and less disruptive. Clear pathways. Move nightstands, dressers, or beds that are close to windows. Remove bedding. Cover or remove linens to prevent dust from settling into fabrics. Empty window sills. Clear books, plants, or decorations so installers can work right away. For families, preparing bedrooms in advance can help reduce downtime and get kids or guests back into their spaces sooner. Kitchen and dining areas. Windows in kitchens and dining rooms often sit above counters or near tables, which can make access tricky if not prepped. Clear countertops. Move appliances, dishes, or decor near window areas. Pull back dining furniture. Make space around tables so installers have room to maneuver. Secure fragile items. Glassware and dishes should be stored safely to avoid accidents. Because kitchens are high traffic areas, preparing these spaces helps minimize disruption during mealtimes. Bathrooms. Bathroom windows are typically smaller, but preparation is still important. Remove items from counters and tubs. Clear away toiletries, towels, or decor that could collect dust. Ensure ventilation. Consider turning on exhaust fans to reduce humidity, which helps with sealing and caulking. Provide access. If the window is in the shower or above the tub, remove shower curtains or rods to give installers a clear view. This ensures installers can move quickly without needing to rearrange your space themselves. Basement and utility rooms. Basement or utility windows may be surrounded by storage boxes, laundry machines, or water heaters. Declutter. Move boxes or stored items away from the window area. Check accessibility. Make sure installers have a clear path to these often overlooked spaces. Clear outside access. If basement windows are partially underground, ensure the exterior entry is also clear of debris. These prep steps are especially important since basements can have tight spaces. Exterior preparation. Window installation also requires access from the outside of your home. Trim landscaping. Cut back bushes, shrubs, or tree branches that block window areas. Move outdoor furniture. Relocate grills, patio furniture, or planters near windows. Secure pets. Keep dogs and cats inside and away from outdoor work areas for safety. Exterior preparation speeds up the process and ensures installers don't have to work around obstacles. General tips for the whole house. Turn off alarms. Disable any window sensors connected to your home security system. Provide parking. Leave space in your driveway for installers' vehicles and equipment. Communicate with your installer. Ask about any special requirements before installation day. These simple steps keep the project moving efficiently and safely. Final thoughts. Preparing your Gainesville home before installation day not only saves time but also protects your belongings and ensures the work is done smoothly. By following this room-by-room guide, you'll create a safe, organized environment that allows installers to focus on delivering high-quality results. With the right preparation, your new windows will be installed quickly and efficiently, leaving you to enjoy a more comfortable, energy-efficient, and beautiful home.